See, IPFT since existent, we are demanding separate state based on schedule area of Tripura, which we call now Tipraland. These are our main demand. At the same time, as per the situation, according to the situation, we have to follow that the present situation all over India, especially in Northeast India, is very pathetic. Recent amendment, which we call CAA, which is very harmful for our state. Especially, as you know, Tripura will be worse sufferer. And it is already overpopulated in Tripura. So it is our threat, it is our grievances. After implementation of CAA, every individual, every people are really threatened that Tripura already have CAA for 2-3 times. As you know, Tripura become overpopulated. After independence, a lot of influx took place, a lot of illegal immigrant took place. Not in once, several times. We have mentioned several times. Yes, because Tripura is a bordering state, bordering country by Bangladesh. As you know, Bangladesh is overpopulated. So the main effect took place in Tripura since very long time. And again, if this CAA is implemented again, Tripura become from bad to worse. Now we are only 30%. As a record, census record, we are only 30%. So it is our threat. Once it is implemented, we certainly know that from 30 will be go 20, maybe 10%. This is our threat. This is a fact. Therefore, though we are in a partner, alliance partner with BJP government, our standpoint is always very clear. We cannot compromise this issue because this issue is really harmful for our people. That's why we always said, if there is any effect for our nation, for our state, for our people, we cannot compromise. As a result, we have, even 2017, when bill is coming in the parliament, 2017 also, in Tripura, IPFT party is the first political party to organize, to protest this bill, CAA bill. When 2017, there are a lot of down and dust born or sponsored by our party. This one 24 hours ban we have organized in 2017. In that very period also, a lot of our cadres, a lot of our volunteers, our youth were beaten up and hospitalized. We have a record. So IPFT party is the only party in Tripura who really fight for the people, for the cause of our people. We proudly you can say. So since this is our main, agenda that CAB cannot compromise. Continuously we are fighting since 2017, 18, and now 19. Now already act has done, but still, that's to share our grievances, to express our grievances to the central government as well as BJP government. That IPFT cannot compromise with CAA. This is the reason behind why our party have organized indefinite period. So January 6th we have started. It's going on. So how will we have declared indefinite period? So we'll discuss our central committee because it is sponsored by, organized by our central committee. So we'll discuss about that. And today only 13 days already passed. But see, now I heard on 22nd January there will be hearing of the in Supreme Court regarding this CAA. So we'll wait after hearing what is the result come out. So therefore, this our expression, our token of expression to raise the voice to the central government as well as the Supreme Court that in Tripura, IPFT party, indigenous people from Tripura is always against the CAA and CAB. This is the only main reason that we organize in the district council headquarters, Kumulu, you know, this is our headquarter of DC Council. So we organized, so the people came to know, people who realize what IPFT party is doing for the people, for the nation, for the country. This is what we organized in this movement.
Sir,